Marybeth. Your videographer today is Caleb, and right now we are out at our Sugarbush, which is outside of Grand Marais, Minnesota, home of North House Folk School, where Caleb and I are both instructors. And we've been sugaring in this beautiful maple forest for about 4 years now. Tapped anywhere from 40 to 100 trees. This year we're on the lower end of that. And yeah, we're out here collecting sap and boiling it down to make maple syrup. It's really important to us in our lifestyle to harvest and grow as much of our own food as we can, and we're feeling that it's particularly pertinent right now in this era of COVID-19 to be able to be out in the woods harvesting our own food and not having to completely depend on the food system right now. Once we collect, we put all of our sap into these big barrels, and that there's where it waits until we're ready to boil. Over here we have a contraption that Caleb made this year. It's pretty great. It's a sled where the buckets can fit into it, so on big running days we can go around and collect and pull all of our sap instead of having to haul it all, because it can get kind of hard on the arms and shoulders to be carrying those buckets. So that's been a nice addition to our Sugarbush this year. Now I'm going to head down into kind of our zone that's our home away from home during the season. As you can see, it's what we consider around here to be mud season. It gets a little warm and squishy around this time. And this is our boiler that we have set up. It's made out of just an old used 55-gallon drum with a couple restaurant pans in it. There's definitely more efficient boilers out there, but it's really important to us just to be able to make what we need and to use recycled materials and to be able to do what we can afford. So this boiler has been really great for the past few years. It's functioned for us and made many gallons of maple syrup, and it is still making hopefully many more. We have our pile of wood here that we went out and collected this morning. Just cut a bunch of dead and down, mostly maple, and split that up, and that's been what's feeding our boiler all day long. And yeah, that's kind of the Sugarbush. Oh, Caleb wants to show. We bring our little pup out, and she joins us for the day, so that's her home away from home with nice wood shaving turnings, keeping her nice and warm and comfortable. So this is our Sugarbush, and it's really sweet to be able to come out here in a time like this when people are mostly staying home, having to stay away from other people, and just to come out here and realize that the barred owls are still hooting to each other, and the ravens are still frolicking in the trees, and the sap is still running, and the world is continuing on in its majestic beauty.